Welcome, everybody. I had the honor and privilege of welcoming you yesterday, and since I did such a great job, they invited me back. So, good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. I just want to take a moment to outline the expectations for today. Today's meeting is open and collaborative. Speakers are going to be sharing data specifically intended to spark new ideas and drive breakthroughs and innovations in CMT. The hope is that something you hear today will trigger a connection, answer a question, or give you an insight that propels your own research forward to address a core challenge in the field. It's vital that you make the most of this time together and connect in person. We've built in extra long breaks this time so that you have a chance to connect with your peers. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, we have an app this year. Information is at the registration if you want to bring it down, but you can find everybody who's registered in there, upload your own profile, and make connections if you can't get to that person in the room or want to have some crosstalk outside of this weekend. So this is our moment. Let's seize it by learning from each other and moving the field forward together. I'm excited to begin today with a very special announcement. The CMT Research Foundation, in collaboration with the CMT4J Foundation, is proud to fund a seminal gene therapy clinical trial in CMT. We're supporting an investment in Elpida Therapeutics, led by Terry Pirovalakis. Terry himself will be giving you great detail today at 2:30 p.m. about his trial. And thanks to this partnership, we have funded the manufacture of a drug that is heading directly into clinical trials. A huge leap for CMT research, and especially for families that are affected by CMT4J, which is a devastating and rare form of the disease. This is a major investment for the CMT Research Foundation, and we believe that this gene therapy trial is a milestone, not just for CMT4J, but for the entire field, paving the way for innovations and treatment options. Details on this trial are being released to the press and posted to cmtrf.org right now as we speak. So if you want to search for it, search for Elpida, E-L-P-I-D-A Therapeutics. But again, Terry, the CEO, will be here at 2:30 today, and he'll be able to tell you all the details and then answer any questions that you might have. I'd like to take a moment this morning to thank our generous sponsors. We're so proudly grateful for Novartis, our largest sponsor and accelerator sponsor for this whole program, for their extraordinary support. Special thanks to Augustine for their scientific programming sponsorship, as well as NMD Pharma and Applied Therapeutics. They are our patient day sponsors. And for 82VS, the venture studio of Alloy Therapeutics, along with Alesta, Actio Bio, and Takeda, for supporting this convention's success. Their backing creates a strong platform for discovery and collaboration, and of course, coffee and snacks all day. For our virtual attendees, thank you for joining us from home or from your office. Please use the Q&A feature during presentations. Your questions will be relayed directly to our speakers by Rob Pryor up here at the table. And now I'm pleased to bring to the stage two individuals who dedicate their talents to our mission daily. Rob Pryor, an outstanding scientist and a patient who's going to be monitoring that Q&A, and Susan Rudiger, our co-founder and chief mission officer.